Alright, so here's the first pack opening.
Oh!
Sebastian just pulled a hollow Pikachu.
Reverse hollow.
Alright, so first thing is to start you. How do I do the flippy thing?
It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then Staryu, Sunkern, Ladybug, Vulpix, Croconaw, Corsola, and a Switch.
This is your reverse. It's really bent. They all bent. That's stupid.
I'm gonna open another pack before I look at the rares.
Is that a hollow Slowpoke?
Alright, looks like we got a Jigglypuff, Ladybug again, Sandshrew, Totodile, Sentret,
Are we opening things?
I forgot. Yo.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Oh,
Corsola,
yes.
Unknown, Flappy. Thank you, Reed. Alright, we already looked at these, but Azumarill is my reverse hollow, and then Blissey is my hollow.
Oh! That's a prime.
Blissey Prime, apparently, thanks to a Heist lesson. And what are these two? Let's see.
Pull the Don Prime. Did I already pull all the good cards out of the box?
This one doesn't really look that good, Legion. And a Drowsy. Really, a Drowsy? That's not very good. Alright.
Here we go. I'm about to pay the grip. I'm about to get paid the grip.
I felt my hand vibrate.
Oh!
Alright. Oh, nice.
Is that a Meganium Prime?
Meganium.
Is that my fourth one?
Let me see.
Nope.
Put on camera.
Second one.
This is what, this is your second one?
Yeah.
Gengar Level X11 just pulled this. His second one. Alright.
This is what I got.
Here's pack 2 and 3. This is what Marcus got. Got a Grave Squire.
I love Grave.
Wormer. Grave Squirmer.
I can't read, dude.
Grave Squirmer.
Whoa, look at this Caterpie. Snubble. Hip Hop. Did I forget to do this?
I love how you probably saw.
Pay the grip for pay the grip.
Coughing. Blah blah blah.
You like bending
I got
the
a
card.
Yes, a bill.
This one's still reverse.
I'm gonna.
Very bad.
Should I open that one? Alright.
Oh! Whoa!
Here's number 4.
Whoa.
Is this gonna be like a really cool video?
Oh no!
Don't!
I gotta trade you for that card.
Then you look at them before I did.
Not that one, but the other one. That's a very good
Okay.
speed deck.
Copycat, Coughing, Growlithe, Whopper, Dark Energy, Granbull, Heracos, Rainbow Energy. Alright, let's see the.
I do not like that card.
This is the reverse hollow Parasect,
My crystal beast
and
eagle.
Jumpluff,
Wow.
and then
I remember what Parasect were called.
I don't know.
I love that.
Why is there a Caterpie in this? Alright, and I got a Heracross. Heracross.
Oh, is that my first electric energy from the set?
Yeah.
I heard there's going to be another generation coming out. Yeah, they already showed the first Pokemon. Yeah.
Alright, here's pack number
Get the pay grip for it.
5 and 6.
Do that.
I have no idea how I'm gonna draft these cards. They're all so
You should
random.
be showing me them so I can see your deck.
No, dude, I'm gonna check these out
I'm
myself.
looking at
Chikatora, Voltix, Snubble,
Did I forget I'm building
Metal
a deck with
Energy,
these
Murphy,
cards?
Paris,
A holographic
FIFA,
Paris.
Metapod.
Yeah, I love that. Did you do the trick? Did you even
No,
do the trick?
I don't even care right now, dude.
Did you give me all
I'll do
your-
it on this one,
give me
man.
all your double
This looks like a good one because it's
I
red.
love how you haven't pulled any legends. Did I pull all the legends I get in the box?
I think you did.
I
1,
got
2, 3.
2 Lugias and a Ho.
1, 2.
Oh, that's a legend.
That's a legend. Nah.
It's really
Meryl, Execute, Magikarp, Ladybug,
Execute.
again.
Is that my
Hop
first
it.
fast energy?
Dawn Fan!
Oh!
Not the good one.
Dang it.
It's not Prime,
I
sorry.
love you. Is that because it's really bent?
Oh! And a Hypnotop.
Did
I got half a card. What a rip. What a rip.
Should I
Someone
give you the
rip
top
this
half?
card
Should
in
I
half.
give you the top half?
It's a ho-oh.
Should I give you the top half?
Yeah.
Because I don't have it, and I mean, I have it, and I don't want it.
Give me the top half, man. Give
Wow.
Give me your blitz. Give me your blitz.
Blow things together.
The full set of Lugia worth $40. That's 3 cents of it. I love
Is that good video? Did I stop 2 videos to start a new video?
Probably. I hate it when you do that. Later, YouTube.